This episode uncovers ultra-exclusive electric motorcycles that fuse cutting-edge engineering with timeless aesthetics for discerning riders. From handcrafted frames to turbine-like motors, these machines deliver whisper-quiet power and blistering torque without noise. Each model bears a bespoke workshop lineage, small additions, and a heritage narrative that lifts it beyond ordinary superbikes. We explore design language that marries aerodynamics with luxe materials, where finish, haptics, and sound create a sensory spectacle. Like and subscribe to join this journey through the world's rarest machines and the artistry behind them.